My name is Scott Kennedy. I'm the senior trial attorney here at the Barnes firm. I attended law school at the University of Nebraska in Lincoln, Nebraska. I've been in California pretty much my whole life, with the exception of college and law school. I've been handling railroad cases since I got out of law school and just been able to continue to get work in that area. I think the experience that really influenced me to become an attorney, I used to work with my dad, and he would have a lot of people that were in great need of his services, and so that just kind of inspired me to be able to help people. My approach to practicing law is to do whatever it takes to help the client get what they're entitled to. It's really all about making the client whole again. That's really what motivates me the most. I think so much you work with the Barnes firm, there's a lot of reasons, but I think the main and best reason is everybody who works here cares about our clients, and that becomes the number one objective. It's all about making sure the clients are taken care of.